guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, especially if you love using affordable makeup and you want some more tips, tricks, or learn about some hidden gems. Today I wanted to talk about 5 makeup products, $5 and under, that you guys need in your life if you haven't already picked up. So worth the $5, and I'll link down below in the description box some other $5 and under videos of makeup, as well as 10 products $10 and under, which I'll do another one next. But today, for only $5, which sounds like pretty affordable for the drugstore, harder to come by these days, but we'll find those for you guys. The first product I wanted to mention was a newer one that you guys are probably seen on my channel here, and I am obsessed with it. I am in love with it, and it is the new Wet n Wild, their Color Icon eyeshadow palette. This one is in my Glamour squad. I just did a kind of comparison video as a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, which I have raved about and I love so much. But I did one eye using the Wet n Wild and the other eye using the Anastasia, and honestly I couldn't tell the difference when kind of editing it. I was just kind of like, wait, which side is which side? Type of a deal. Like, they were identical. The blendability, the lasting power, so great. The Anastasia one is like $42 and the Wet n Wild is only $5, and it's freaking amazing. If you guys have not tried out in general these eyeshadow little palettes from Wet n Wild, $5, don't be skeptical. They're totally worth the money. I have a couple of other ones, and this is just one of their new shades that they came out with, and oh my god, I love it. If you either just love to save money, if you maybe are on a budget, or you just love great affordable finds, you're gonna love this palette. I think this one specifically is like perfect for everybody, whether you want to keep it just really neutral, or they have some colors that you can kind of smoke it out with. I think everybody's going to enjoy this palette. So I picked up mine at Walgreens. You can probably find it at CVS, Walmart, Target, wherever you can find Wet n Wild, and maybe even get a discount too as well, so save even more money. So if you guys don't have this eyeshadow palette, I highly recommend it. The next product I recommend is like a tool you need in your makeup kit, and there's a variety of these, so hard to choose from, but I wanted to find an affordable makeup sponge to apply my makeup, because that's always how I apply my makeup, and I love the beauty blender, but it's kind of hard to have a multiple beauty blenders, at least on my budget. Just kind of, you know, as I get lazy to clean one, I just go to the other and kind of clean them all at once. So I want to try to find something for half the price, less than half the price, a third of the price, you know the deal. So I've been testing out some different sponges, and one that's under $5, which I think if you know you want to save some money and you've been eyeing it, you should totally pick it up, and it is the e.l.f. Their Complexion sponge. So it's this one, kind of like a magenta-ish type of a color, a darker pink. It's only $4, and I think it works really well if you want a great affordable sponge. I have, you know, tested out some other ones, but this one is probably the cheapest that I've tried and that I've really liked. I'll link down below my kind of comparison video of this sponge and the beauty blender. I will say this one maybe soaks up just a little bit more product, but the results I think are really great. Like, I still use this, I still reach for it, I have it in my kit type of a thing, and I love it when, you know, my other sponges are dirty, because like I'll just kind of like use one, use another one, use another one, and then this one, and then another one, and then clean them all at once and kind of rotate out again. This is one I still always kind of pick up, and I've washed it multiple times, and so far so good. I like that it kind of has like a little flat top, so in case you really kind of want to go underneath and bake underneath the eyes with your powder, or if you want to bake underneath your cheekbones to really carve out your contour and just get that precision, you can do that. But you can find this at Ulta, you can find this at Target, anywhere you can find e.l.f. you can find this sponge. If you guys haven't tried it and you've been wanting to use a sponge for your all-around face makeup, underneath the eyes, just honestly a sponge you can use for almost anything. So if you want a great affordable one, I recommend the e.l.f. sponge. I've been really into lip liners lately. I don't know how I went without using a lip liner, like a traditional lipstick, especially a creamy formula, and even a matte one. Like, I don't know how I went without a lip liner. Now it's just weird. I need definition. Just makes my lips look a little bit fuller. I like having that dimension. So I've been on the hunt for different lip liners, and I think I just mentioned this in one of my favorites, but this is the gel lip liner by Wet n Wild, and this one is in the shade Lay Down the Mauves. And I actually got this on sale. It was like half off. I'll swatch it for you guys, and I think I got it for like $1.88 or something. These are like only $3, definitely less than $5. But not only do I love the shade, I love the formula, and if you need a very, very affordable, very creamy lip liner, but that will still kind of stay in place, it won't feather out, it won't like defeat the purpose of the lip liner, I'm definitely needing to get some more of some Wet n Wild ones. And if you guys haven't tried them, I think you definitely should. I love this type of a mauve color, and maybe if you want to experiment with colors, I think this is a great way to go. Kind of like lip liners, maybe if you just have that one really bold or really crazy color, but you don't want to spend like a lot of money on like a MAC lip liner or a Makeup Forever. Like, you don't want to spend $20 on a lip liner for like the one lipstick that you use it for type of a deal. You just kind of, you know, need it for that purpose. You might just wear it every once in a while. Check out some Wet n Wild ones, and in general, play with some colors and mix it up. I like to kind of test out, you know, maybe darker lip liners or lighter ones or just different colors, kind of get some different concoctions, some different effects with it, which is why I love a lip liner. So if you guys haven't tried the Wet n Wild ones, totally worth it. A newer product that I have been testing out and loving, this is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This is their like kind of the Anastasia dupe micro brow pencil, the teeny tiny kind of a little tip there. But if you want those really precise brows, you really want to kind of draw it in, fill it in wherever you might need. I have definitely been reaching for this e.l.f. one a lot, whether it's for a super long day, if it's just for going out, but I'm gonna be out for long hours, like just for anything. This brow pencil is amazing. I love it. I think e.l.f. did a really, really great job. I like the spoolie. It's not too thick. I like the precision. I like the formula. It's definitely closer maybe to the waxy side than super duper creamy, like some other brow pencils that I've tested out. So if you guys have not picked this one up, been wanting to find a really great brow pencil, I definitely recommend e.l.f.'s brow pencil if you guys need something very affordable, but the quality is great. I picked up mine at Ulta. Find it on e.l.f.'s website. Once again, Target, Walmart. Find you some e.l.f. The last product that I want to talk about is one that I have been using that I picked up from the drugstore. I've seen mine at Walgreens so far, starting to pop up everywhere else. CVS, where you can kind of find Wet n Wild. This is a newer product, but it is their Color Icon bronzer. Now they have, I think, at least 3 different types of bronzers, if not 4, but I picked up mine in the shade Sunset Strip Tease specifically because they had some other ones, but one of them was more on the shimmery side, if you prefer maybe a more shimmery bronzer, and then the other one to me felt a little bit too warm, a little bit too orange, unless maybe you are on the warmer side. I'm not. My skin tone is not warm, it's more like neutral cool, so I was like, that might look really orange on me. Sunset Strip Tease, it looks a lot darker in the pan, I feel like, than it comes off in person, but I love how it applies on my skin. It has a bit of a sheen, not a shimmer, so a bit of a sheen, so it kind of gives you like that sun kiss, a glow, kind of gives you a little hint of luminosity, but not shimmer, not sparkles. I like the color, I love the blendability. For those of you who are bronzer lovers, I think you'll really, really like this bronzer. It just depends on what type that you want. If you want shimmer, you want warmer, or if you kind of want something more of a sheen, I think you'll really, really like this one. I did kind of like a chit chat get ready with me using some new drugstore products, and this was one of them, and I gotta say I was pretty impressed. Also, I used it for my makeup today, and it just kind of makes me feel a lot warmer. It gives me more of like a multi-dimension, and I love it. It kind of keeps me from just looking flat, and it warms my skin up a little bit without looking too orange. If you guys haven't picked it up, you see it at your Walgreens, I think you should totally pick it up. I hope you guys enjoyed those 5 products, $5 and under. Let me know if you guys have picked any of these up. I think you should totally add them to your makeup collection. Plus, I love that the price is so affordable that it's just kind of like easy. It's like, I'll just buy one today. I'll just pick one up this time along with my other items that I'm getting, you know, at Walgreens or CVS or Walmart. along with my hot Cheetos, the new Flamin' Hot Doritos. If you guys haven't tried those, just add a bronzer in there with it. And you know, it's a great thing. You didn't spend too much money. You can probably get all of these and spend probably less than $30. That's 5 products. Less than $30, you know, with tax and stuff. But I think you'll really enjoy them. Let me know if you guys have any of these and how much you are loving them, because I'm pretty sure you are loving them. But if you're not, let me know. Everybody's different. The things that I love maybe necessarily might not work for you, and vice versa. But let me know if you guys want to see some more of these videos, and I should be getting 10 products, $10 and under, up soon for you guys, so you can add some items to your shopping list. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with some more videos, and I'll see you all next time.